Nestled in the panoramic Sierra foothills, this community offers an oasis surrounded by open spaces, wildflower-filled hills, serene lake views, and scenic community trails. Flexible, innovative, and modern DeYoung smart home floor plans in the Icon Series line. Located within the Chawanakee Unified School District, providing an opportunity for education excellence. Students will attend Spring Valley K-8 elementary school and continue their education at Minarets High School. Set within 2,100 acres of rolling foothills and stunning ravines near Millerton Lake, this carefully planned community features homes that showcase sweeping open space views and captivating landscapes. Residents can enjoy miles of pedestrian and bicycle trails that wind throughout the community, connecting to a multifunctional clubhouse featuring a resort-quality pool, fitness center, and recreational spaces. Built with leading-edge DeYoung smart home technology, which means innovative energy conservation, advanced home automation and connectivity, intelligent green building designs and practices that are better for your family and the planet. Whatever your passion, you will find it at DeYoung Summit at the Preserve. Embrace elevated living, endless beauty, and the opportunity to build your dream life.